All right, hello. This is a video for adding your name on this JMU keychain. How can we generate the G code from Fusion 360? So what you have here is should be the screen you have, after you open the link. And there are a couple of ways you can open the file. One is here, open in Fusion 360, or you can choose to download. If you choose to download and choose this Fusion 360 archive and enter your email, you should be able to receive an email with a link to download the file. Here, I'll just open it in Fusion 360. So it should automatically open the Fusion 360 for me. All right. So now the file is open. So everything is already set up here. So we have this, computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM, open up. So here, if you look at here, this is the manufacturer, and under this, there are different options: design, right? Generate design, animation, simulation, manufacturing, and drawing. So we have already talked about the design and also drawing. Now this is a manufacturer. So basically, we use this function to help us to design, what kind of tool we use, and also what kind of tool paths, to machine the block to this, final geometry. So basically, the CNC machine need to have some program to tell the machine what to do. Okay. All right. So your job is to change the first name and last name to your own first name and last name, and then generate the G code. How can we do that? First, we need to go back to this design, because currently we're at manufacturing. Then we need to change it back to design. And then I come to this sketch and right click, and there's edit sketch. So let's click edit sketch, put your pointer or mouse here, and then double click. And here you can change your first name to your own first name, and click OK. Do the same thing for the last name. And I change my last name, and then click OK. Then finish sketch. Now I finish my sketch. After this, there's nothing we need to do. Just go back to the manufacture function. Right? Go back to the manufacture function. So what you notice here is there is this kind of a warning. It says toolpath out of date. So basically, it means the program still having the old kind of toolpath. The old toolpath will just machine the letters of first name and the letters of last name instead of your own first name and last name. So what you need to do is right click this here, right click, and there is a generate. So just regenerate the toolpath. Now that warning sign should be gone. And also we generate the new toolpath that will machine or engrave our names. All right, so next thing is to generate the G code from the program. How do we do that? Do the right click. You'll see there is a post process. Click this post process. And then I'm going to look at all these different functions here. And first, we use machine configuration. So we need to tell Fusion 360 or this software of this program that which machine we are using, because with different machines, the way of writing the G code is also different. So we need to specify which machine we are using. And you can just check this, and then you can select machine from the library. Here it shows, Tormac 1100M. Because I already did so. So if it does not show it, you just need to come to this Fusion 360 library, right? Fusion 360 library, and then in a search you can type Tormac, right? So this you should be able to see it, and then double click this, then it's good, right? This machine is selected. Well, next you look at this post. So post currently says it's machine simulation. We need to change it to the program that the Tormac machine will recognize. So which is this, Tormac pass palette, right? This is the software or program that this machine will recognize. Again, if you do not see this Tormac pass palette, just come to this choose from library, and then come here and then type Tormac, right? There's a Tormac pass palette, or the other one is turning pass palettes. Just choose this one because this is not turning, right? We are using pass palette. Double click this. Now check machine is right, the post Tormac pass palette is right. Then next, look at this program. Then you need to enter a name or a number for this. You can name it as 1001 or some other name. Then you choose output folder. So in the output folder, you just need to select the folder you want to use, right? For example, I want to find the 211, my own 211 folder. Say this is lab 6, then I'll choose this lab 6 folder. All right, then when the file is generated, it will be saved within this folder. Everything's okay. Then we'll just click this post. It will show, if you want to give another name, just name it 1001, and then click save. Okay. All right. So next, you just go to the file, the folder that where you saved. Here on lab 6. And double click this. You should be able to see the G code written here. All right. Then you can use your USB and get this file and save it to your own USB. So this is how you generate the toolpath or the G code from Fusion 360.